I'd like you, Ishrat, to please read this for me, what you see written on the screen.
Scope of content British Council IELTS Cambridge.
Very well done. T is silent over here, okay? Scope of content, British Council, IELTS, Cambridge. Okay, what is the scope and what the things we're going to do? What are the contents basically? Okay, Shanzi, can you please read this for me?
Listening various expressions and situations.
Listening various expressions and situations. So, inshallah, we'll have the data with us, and there would be listening tracks that would listen. And these tracks are actually based on various expressions and situations according to the IELTS or the different sections of IELTS listening modules that we'll go through. We'll listen the audios and then we'll transcribe the audios, and after that we'll go through the analysis and examinations and tasks based on these audios, and this is how we're going to improve our listening skills. Along with that, we will learn the strategies and the techniques that how do we do listening skill and how do we improve on it. Okay, the second thing is
Videos based on various real life situations.
okay, videos based on various real life situations. So we'll have videos, these videos of from British Council and from Cambridge that we're going to cover. We'll watch these videos, and watching these videos we'll try to understand the things being spoken in the video, and then we'll go through transcriptions, what is being said. We'll have each line in front of us and we'll practice this, and this is how after doing tasks we will make an analysis with respect to the criteria of IELTS speaking and IELTS listening, you can say both, or IELTS different questions. Okay, the third thing we're going to cover is Aisha Sajad, are you there with us?
Documentaries.
Documentary. Thank you so much, Aisha. Yes, documentaries, then miscellaneous expressions and speeches and debates and vocabulary editorials, articles and idiom expressions and essays and books and complete course we are going to cover in this class. Well, to talk on this particular slide, I'd say that everything we have or everything I have with me is actually according to the British Council and according to the Cambridge. There is nothing fishy. There isn't anything you can say we should have doubt on. So all the things we're going to do, inshallah, would be absolutely relevant to the IELTS examination, inshallah.